Hi, my name is Philip. I'm the creator of BotReach, a tool which lets you easily create chatbots for your website. Chatbots offer us a really nice way to get into engaging conversations with our customers. The cool thing is, chatbots can work 24 hours a day without being watched or controlled by a human. By using a chatbot, you're freeing up your own valuable time and, compared to forms, profit from a much higher conversion rate. So, let me show you how it works. I start by creating a new account on botreach.co. Fill out the form and press register, which takes me to the dashboard. The dashboard is where I can access all my created chatbots. Of course, it's empty now, so let's create a new bot. I call him Botty. This takes me into the chatbot editor. On the left side you can access the storyboard, which shows you the actual messages in the conversation. The space right to the storyboard is where you can configure your messages. Let's start with an easy welcome message. Now I want to create a question where the user has multiple answers to choose from. I add a new snippet, type in my question and choose buttons as interaction type. Now I can simply add a few answers and reactions to those answers. Okay, apple. Yeah, I like that. And banana. Not really sure about that. Okay, but this should be enough for now, so let's hit save and try out our new bot. Hi Botty, nice to meet you too. Good question, I think I like apples more. Thanks Botty. Of course, this is the most simple chatbot and there are a lot more features available to make complex conversations possible. So thanks for your attention and of course I invite you to build your first bot by yourself now. Bye!